Hi, I'm Mike Siegel from Allstate Home Leisure. Wanted to go over today what we call the Perma Salt System. It's a pool care system that's going to help you keep your pool clean this summer. It's exclusively for Allstate Home Leisure and it's super easy to use. Key points of the Perma Salt System is 1, it's a low salt hybrid system. 2, it's pH neutral. It really is going to replace the need for your chlorine in your pool. 3, it uses natural minerals, so it uses a copper-based system that's going to be super easy, safer for your family, and really good for the environment. It's going to give you better water quality this year, eliminates itchy skin, faded swimsuits, and chemical odors. You won't have any of that. It's easy to use and install, and it's eco-friendly. That's the Perma Salt System. We're going to go over how to get it going in your pool and just how easy and good your water quality is going to be this year. So I want to explain to you how easy it is to, 1, get your pool set up for this season with the Perma Salt System, and then 2, how to maintain it every 2 weeks. So first, let's say you just got your pool, you get it filled up, and the water's circulating. What you want to do first is you want to introduce 2 bags of salt to your system. This is going to make the water feel softer. It's also going to bring the total dissolved solids down and get your system ready for the Perma Salt chemicals. Secondly, you're going to 25-pound pail of Preparate. What Preparate is going to do is it's going to go out into your pool and really kill all the algae, or really put a big dose of algaecide in your pool. Then you let your pool circulate for the night, for 24 hours. So now that you put your initial dose of salt in and your initial dose of Preparate, you're ready to start using the Perma Salt System. What the system does is it introduces copper to your water. And the way it does that is it uses this terminal here that inside has 2 copper bars. And with a little bit of electricity running through here, it actually releases the copper into your water. It does that by the level of electricity that you're putting to those copper bars. So initially, most pools you want to start around 4. It goes 1 through 8. I would say start at 4. You do that, you let it run. Right away, you're going to want to go through and put 1 bag of Initiate. This is a bag of shock. It's a real low dose of chlorine shock. Then you're going to put 1 bottle of Clarate in the pool. That's kind of a clarifier. And then another bag of Initiate, which is another non-chlorine shock. At that point, you're done for about the next 2 weeks. You let the pool circulate for 2 weeks, and then you come back and you do the Initiate, the Clarate, and the Reactivate once again throughout the summer. Every 2 weeks, repeat those same things. You do want to check the copper maybe every other week just to see how much copper is getting put into your water. And the way you do that, you do it with the included test strips here that help you test the copper. It'll say how much copper you have in terms of what size pool you have. And if you have too much, you simply lower the terminal here to say 3, or you raise it to say 5 if you were at 4. It's that simple. So every 2 weeks, like I said, a bag of Initiate, a bag of Reactivate, and a bottle of Clarate. Check your copper, and you're swimming for the summer.